There are three main types of boiler. When you know a little bit about each one, choosing the right boiler for your home and lifestyle is a lot less confusing. A combi boiler is a simple unit that delivers both hot water and heating, making them great for small to medium-sized homes. They heat water directly from the mains whenever you turn your hot tap. Combi boilers don't need a hot water storage cylinder or a cold water storage tank in the loft, so they save a lot of space too. System boilers need a cylinder for storing hot water. However, they don't take any space in your loft. With this boiler type, some of the main heating and hot water system components, such as the pump, are built into the boiler itself, so it's quick and easy to install. And system boilers are ideal for homes with 2 or more bathrooms, as they can allow you to have multiple showers running at the same time. Regular or traditional boilers need both a hot water cylinder and tanks in the roof. These boilers are also perfect for homes where a lot of hot water is used at the same time. They are particularly well suited to low water pressure areas and for installation onto systems which have lots of old radiators. Whichever system type is right for your home, Worcester Bosch has the perfect boiler for you.